Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'd like to introduce the guided presentations that you can find within Canva AI. So let's head over to Canva AI, write the topic of your presentation, pick design, and then presentations. Choose your audience. Who are you referring to? Then head over to style and pick your preferred style. Then you can also choose the length of your presentation, whether you want it to be short, balanced, comprehensive, or decide for me. Once you do all that, let's hit the purple arrow. And then what you'll get from Canva is the first part of making plans, what your presentation is going to look like. So you have all these titles and subtitles, and you can click on each one just to see the topic and what are the bullets underneath that topic. So for example, I'm going to click on one and you see that it opens up and I have all these things that Canva thinks I should talk about. So if you're happy with this, we can go ahead. You can still make adjustments. Now I'm going to just click on create the presentation, and you see that I get here a lot of templates. Now each one of these is a standalone template. It's not one template and these are the slides. Each one has slides of itself. So for example, you see what I get. I'm very happy with the results. I asked for a minimalist design, so this is why I have all the slides looking very minimalist. I can also pick one and then head over up here to the color tab. Let me just show you. I just have to see another one. So beautiful. I'm going to go to the color tab. I'm going to change my color palette. You can play around with that. And if you're happy or unhappy, you can always head over and use Canva Editor to make the finest adjustments to your presentation. So from here, you can still work with that. I love it. What do you think?